Crypto. Let's talk about crypto. Crypto is another interesting one. We are one of the few press release services that is happy to take your crypto press releases. We're happy to write about crypto. We're happy to work with projects. The main caveat there is that any crypto project has to have a legitimate website. It doesn't have to be crazy. It doesn't have to be super fancy, but it does have to be an actual website with a domain name of some sort. So in your press releases, you're going to link to the website, and I also like to link to CoinMarketCap, or similar. Like if it's an NFT, you're not going to link to CoinMarketCap, right? You're going to link to OpenSea or something like that. For individual tokens, use any of the stack strategies. Kind of treat it more like a generic sort of organic page, if you will. We'll talk about in a minute about some cloud stacks to use for NFTs. With crypto projects, you always, even if you don't usually do this, start with a branding PR that goes out to premium, because you really want those financial links. This is where some of the other links that aren't important for local come into play. Like Benzinga is it's a highly sought after, frankly, very financial, brand. This is the type of stuff where that really shines. And then, I very rarely recommend that you use a lot of premium. This is one place where I would, because crypto is so financial in nature that the big hitter outlets, if you will, on premium or gold, if you're a gold customer, you're already getting these anyways. And so I would definitely recommend that you make heavy use of those for that that extra boost. And frankly speaking, the crypto guys, they like to see this stuff anyways. So